T-Mobile is taking you to a whole new level of connectivity with its expanded T-Satellite service, powered by Starlink. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of the latest tech updates. Not even when you're out of reach of cell towers, your favorite apps like Google Maps, WhatsApp, AllTrails, and even weather apps like AccuWeather can still keep you connected thanks to satellite tech. And this isn't just a small update, it's a jump to make satellite communication easier and integrated into everyday smartphone use. Not only this, T-Mobile has also rolled out support for 17 new phones that can tap into this satellite network. Whether you're rocking the latest iPhone Air, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, or the Google Pixel 9a, chances are your device can now stay connected even in the most remote places. Of course, satellite connections aren't as lightning fast as your usual mobile data or Wi-Fi, so expect some features to work a little slower or differently when you're connected by satellite. However, not everything's a win for T-Mobile users. As this new satellite connectivity expands, T-Mobile and Google quietly ended their exclusive Google One membership deal, which used to offer unlimited photo storage for subscribers. New customers can no longer access this perk, though existing users can keep it unless they cancel it themselves. The T-Mobile Starlink-powered satellite service is the upgrade, which means more freedom to stay online even when you're off the beaten path. It might work slow, but it is still better than no signal. Does your phone support satellite connection? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.